everybody. Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I am up to program number 63, random numbers 0 to 9. This is actually a very, very short program. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates the TI-99 4A on a modern PC, get into TI Basic, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 63, random numbers 0 to 9. Although you see 4 program lines below, what we really have here is a very convenient single-line program for you to insert in a larger game or educational testing program. Line 20 is the line 20 is the winner here. It prints a random number from 0 to 9 every time. For your use here, we print that number on the screen. You could just as easily have the computer store that random number in a memory location for later recall and use. We have added lines to make your computer show you a whole series of random numbers from 0 to 9. Remember, line 20 is the important single-line program element here. If you would like random numbers in the range from 0 to 99, make it 100 in line 20. For 0 to 999, use 1000 in line 20. There's an asterisk here. Let's see what the asterisk says. I guess we're not going to get an asterisk. Figure out what the asterisk refers to. Maybe it's at the end of the book. Maybe it's at the end of the section. I'm going to scroll to the end of the book real quick on a chance that the asterisk is in the end of the book here before I type the program in. Nope, I guess that's it. I don't have the actual book in front of me, so it's not as easy to flip and look for it. No matter. It's just a random number generator. That's all it does. Okay, this is the very short 4-line program. Again, for some weird reason, it jumps around rather than using increments of 10. It has 10, 15, 20, 30. I think that's really kind of annoying and weird for such a short program. Okay, 10, randomize. This ensures we get a different sequence every time. 15, call clear. I know this short program is barely worth doing, but insofar as I'm doing all 101 programs from this book, I'm going to do this small program anyway. Integer of 10 times R&D. Okay, and 30 go to 20. Okay, that's all she wrote for this very, very short program. Let's run it. Okay, so all it's doing is generating random numbers from 0 to 9. As I mentioned, there's not much to see here. Well, let's go ahead and do the, oops, if I can end the program, there we go. Let's go ahead and make it out of 100. Print integer 100 times R&D, and you'll see the impact that this has. There you go. Numbers from 0 to 99. And as the book suggests, we could even do it up to 1,000 or 10. Oops, sorry about that. Type list, not run. 20 print integer of 1,000 times R&D. That'll be numbers from 0 to 999. And it started with 974. And because we use randomize, we get a different sequence when the program is run again. Excuse me. Well, as I mentioned, that's all she wrote for this very, very short program. This is number 63, random numbers 0 to 9. If you are watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruling, or under Cozy Azeroth, my handle on Twitch, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational content on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel under Cozy Azeroth, a little nod to my favorite game, World of Warcraft. For live streaming and all the above, you can watch me stream live, participate in the chat, whatever suits your fancy. In any case, check me out on either platform, both platforms, the other platform if you're watching on a particular platform now, And please remember to like, subscribe, and I especially appreciate subscriptions. They help me out greatly in these troubling and difficult financial times. Thank you very much, and I will be back soon with the next program, which is random numbers distribution. On that note, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.